Do not get into affiliate marketing if you're not willing to do this one thing. If you've watched a number of videos on my channel, you probably would realize that I am a big fan of affiliate marketing. Like I always say, affiliate marketing, in my opinion, is one of the best ways to make money online, especially if you're not trying to do like the 9-to-5 thing, work from home thing. Affiliate marketing is definitely one of the best ways to make some real money online. But with that being said, there is one thing that you must come to grips with if you want to make any money as an affiliate marketer. And that one thing is you must be willing to promote. All right. And I talk about this all the time. Shit, I might even already put up a video talking about this, but it is so important, right? Because when you are into affiliate marketing, you are basically a salesperson. You are selling. And I think a lot of people don't really understand that, because sometimes affiliate marketing is presented to people in different ways. It's presented to people like, oh, it's a work from home job, or, you don't have to be in front of people, and you don't have to do this, and you don't have to do that. And some of that is true, but no matter how you look at it, you still have to promote, because there are ways that you can promote without showing your face, right? There are ways that you can promote and you don't got to be on YouTube. You don't got to be on social media, right? But you still have to promote. You have to drive traffic to whatever it is that you are promoting. Like, there's no way around it. So even if you think you got a good offer and you're like, yo, I'm feeling this, man, this is me. This product, this service resonates with me. This the shit, right? Man, this is dope. If you don't promote it on a regular basis, right? Be consistent. I don't care how good the product is, how much you like the product, you're not going to make money. All right. Now, on the flip end of that, if you are somebody who realizes that you have to promote, now all you got to do is figure out your style when it comes to driving traffic. Because the good news is there's many ways to get eyeballs to your affiliate offers, right? You can do the YouTube thing, the Facebook, the TikTok. Hell, some things you can even promote on LinkedIn, right? Craigslist, eBay, all kinds of ways that you can drive traffic to your offer. But the key is know that you're going to have to promote the hell out of it. And the second thing is find the method that resonates with you. All right. I say this because a lot of people, they'll buy a course or something like that. They'll learn the method to promote and they don't make any money because they just don't feel comfortable doing that method for whatever reason. Right. But you should know, like, there's way more ways to promote than just one. Just because a course tell you to do something this way don't mean you have to do it. And if you don't do it that way, you're going to fail. Right. There's many ways to do things. So you want to find a way to drive traffic that you feel comfortable doing and that you feel that you can do on a daily basis, right? Because affiliate marketing is a grind. The cool thing about affiliate marketing is you can do it damn near whenever you want, and it has unlimited earning potential, right? That's the beauty of affiliate marketing, and it's super easy to get started with. So as long as you realize that you are going to have to promote and you are willing to promote, you are good to go.